Hi everybody, I am Mohamed from Smart DigiWeb. I am happy to be with you in this video. Before to start, please subscribe to get any update. Hi, in this video, I will show you how to hide the number of YouTube subscribers you have on your channel. The main reason that can motivate this choice is when you start a channel and you have no subscribers or so few subscribers. It cannot be encouraging for people watching your videos to subscribe even though your content is good. This phenomenon is called social proof. If you already have lots of subscribers, you will get even more. Here I am logged into my channel and this is the home page. As you can see, the subscriber count is displayed. To make this number private, first click on Customize Channel. Then click on the setting available here at the bottom left. Then in this pop-up window, click on the channel menu. Then click on Advanced Settings tab. Scroll down, you will find this checkbox related to the number of subscribers. You need to uncheck it to make the number of subscribers private on your channel. Finally, click on Save. Now if I go back to my channel homepage, you can notice that the subscriber count is now hidden. Now only you will see the number of YouTube subscribers. For that you need to go to YouTube Studio. You will find the number of subscribers on your dashboard and also in the analytics page. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you soon in another video. Goodbye.